Hi guys! Ano kami dito guys? Problema namin dito guys. Anong oras na? Mag 11:15. Tapos hindi pa kami tapos sa trabaho guys. Eto guys. Ito. Nagluluto pa guys. But ang sabi 11. Tapos na. But hanggang ngayon hindi pa kami tapos guys. Eto. So guys. Nagluluto pa rin guys. Ito yung malaking problema dito guys. Kasi kapag wala yung nanay nila guys dito guys. Nagluluto pa guys. Tingnan nyo guys, nagluluto pa hanggang ngayon guys. Siya guys. Problema dito guys kapag wala yung nanay guys. Siya. Nagluluto pa rin hanggang ngayon guys. Two
from here. One, two. Because she make Baba cake.
Baba?
If I say too much hungry, she not know. She will eat. See, finish.
Maybe tomorrow.
Why not? I ask you, she will mafi.
Badin siya siguro. Uno Maria, too much problem here. She took mapi, siguro. Wala na yung here. Badin she took.
Yeah, yesterday I see here.
Eh,
Oh, finish.
mino
Too
eat.
much done.
Mino eat.
Even mafi and Robert.
Eh.
No problem, no and Robert. On the house.
Chupi, until now, sawi. But she took only 11 close. But what time? 11:15. But her,
Even if you're Robert, you know,
so,
she said 11 plus 11 feet, 11 o'clock.
so,
She said food. She go outside. No eat outside. Why?
she go outside, no eat.
Why no eat outside?
She took mapi flus.
She don't want to first.
She took here. She took Rosini here.
She don't want to first. How many days she do?
She took here. Because she go. You know, yesterday, she go. Last yesterday. You know, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. Why you know when go? Guys, problema talaga mga tao dito guys. Lalong-lalo na yung amo kong lalaki guys. Sobrang problema guys. Kaya eto, tiis mo na guys. Ganito kasi